Looking to upgrade your 1988 to 2006 GM vehicle with a CD changer or an external device that has a built-in FM modulator? The Barb-less Antenna Adapter Kit is designed just for that. It offers a straightforward, reliable connection without the hassle of incompatible plugs or signal loss. If you want your audio system to perform better and connect effortlessly, this adapter is worth a look. I've seen firsthand how this adapter changes the game. For example, a 2002 Denali owner needed to connect a satellite radio inline with the antenna circuit. The Barb-less adapter fit perfectly, making installation quick and painless. More importantly, it boosted the radio's FM reception, allowing clear and uninterrupted listening. It's not just a quick fix, it's a lasting solution that brings your car's audio system up to date without rewiring or guesswork. This kit also pairs seamlessly with other Metra 60 series harnesses, expanding its versatility for various setups. Users report improved signal clarity and a snug fit that stays secure even on bumpy rides. If you've struggled with antenna compatibility or weak FM signals after adding new audio devices, this adapter can solve those problems without extra hassle. Ready to upgrade your GM vehicle's audio setup with confidence? The Barb-less Antenna Adapter Kit makes adding CD changers or FM modulators easy and reliable. No more signal drops or awkward connections, just solid performance every time. Try it when you're ready to enjoy better sound and seamless integration.